Starting something new is difficult because we often feel afraid of what others might think.
I want to go to the gym today, but I feel very nervous about walking inside.
You have been staring at that gym bag for 10 minutes, so I think something is wrong.
I am afraid because I think everyone at the gym will look at me and judge me.
People are usually busy with their own lives, so they probably will not notice you at all.
That sounds nice, but my brain tells me that I am not ready for a full workout.
Then do not stay for an hour. Just go inside for 5 minutes and then leave immediately.
Only 5 minutes? I think I can do that because it does not feel too scary.
Okay, I will try it. I am going to the gym for 5 minutes right now. My heart is beating very fast because the lights inside look so bright and busy.
I am standing here by this pillar because I only need to stay for 5 minutes. These classes look interesting, so maybe I can try one when I feel a bit stronger.
Nobody is looking at me. Everyone is just focusing on their own music and their movement.
I have been here for 5 minutes already. I feel proud because I stayed inside.
That was not as hard as I thought. I am happy because I kept my promise. Success is not about doing everything today. It is about doing something small every single day.
Good morning, Maya. I went to the gym last night because you gave me great advice.
That is amazing news. I am so happy that you chose to walk through the door.
I only stayed for 5 minutes, but that was enough because I realized I was safe.
That is the secret. You just need to show your brain that there is no danger.
I realized that the gym is not a scary place, so I will go back again tonight.
That is the best way to do it. Will you stay for 5 minutes again today?
Yes, 5 minutes is my new rule because I know I can succeed with that.
I am very proud of you, Sarah. You are building a very strong habit now. I feel very light today because I am not running away from my fears anymore. I am going back again because I promised myself that I would try one more time.
I feel different today because I am not hiding my face from the other people. My 5 minutes are finished, but I want to stay for 2 more minutes today. I am not standing by the door today because I want to see the whole room.
Everything feels much smaller now that I am not afraid of the big machines.
Maybe tomorrow I will stay for 10 minutes and try to walk on this machine. Ooh. Tell me everything. Did you stay longer than 5 minutes at the gym last night?
You look very different today. Your eyes are bright and you seem very relaxed.
I feel relaxed because I finally stopped fighting with myself about the gym. I am standing on the machine now because I am ready to walk for 5 minutes.
The belt is moving very slowly, so I can start my walk without any fear.
I am finally running on the machine. I feel very strong because I am doing the hard work.
Ooh, you look like a different person today. Did you finally use the machines last night?
Yes, I walked for 5 minutes.
This part of the gym used to look very scary, but now it just looks like a place to get strong.
I am going to lift this small weight tomorrow because 5 minutes of strength is my next goal. It is finished for today. I am leaving with a plan to be even braver when I return. I can see the victory in your face. Tell me, what is the next big step? I am going to try the weights. I am finally ready to build some real strength. I am lifting this weight because I finally believe that I am a strong person.
The 5-minute rule is working, but I feel like I am ready for a bigger challenge.
You have mastered the machine, Sarah, but the gym also has a great yoga community.
A community? That sounds scary again, but I do not want to stop my progress now.
We will go together on Monday. We will stay for 5 minutes and see what happens.
The room is very quiet, and it smells like lavender, which makes me feel a bit better.
See? Nobody is looking at us. Everyone is just waiting for the teacher to begin.
That woman just smiled at me. I think I can stay for the whole class today.
I am moving my body with everyone else, and it feels like I am part of a team.
I almost fell down, but I realized that failing is just a step toward getting better.
Do not worry about falling. Even the teacher lost their balance for a second today.
The class is finished, and I stayed for the whole hour without feeling afraid.
I made a new friend today. We promised to see each other in class next week.
It is raining, and I am very tired today. It would be so easy to just stay inside.
Maya is right. I do not need to do a long workout. I only need to show up for 5 minutes. Discipline is doing what I promised myself, even when I do not feel like doing it.
You came. That is the hardest part finished.
I thought I was too tired, but moving my body gave me the energy I was missing. I am not the same person who walked through those doors for the first time.
You did the hard work, Sarah.
Yeah.
You chose to show up when it was difficult.
Big changes start with small moments. Your 5 minutes can change the rest of your life.
I am not afraid of the future anymore, because I know I can handle it 5 minutes at a time. This is just the beginning.